Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man, ito ang pangarap ko.
As part of SM City Cebu's campaign of 100 Days of Christmas, we would like to take this moment to thank all of you by presenting our first round of prizes. We have prepared our bundles of joys for our tatays.
Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kahit maputi.
I'd like to present you some gift certificates.
Kalipas ay
We did not expect that SM will give an advance Christmas gift. Ang ako mga kauban, mga retired na sila, they were really surprised. They are very thankful for the kind gesture that SM had given them.
Tatay Rudy, you are the light of this company. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank you. We will be giving you a brand new guitar!
Salamat sa SM. Kami mga tanan, nagpasalamat ninyo sa inyong mga regalo gihatag sa inyong pagpamasko.